seatbelt must be securely fastened at this time. To fasten, insert the metal tip into the buckle. Tighten by pulling on the strap so it's slung tight across your lap. To release the belt, lift the top of the buckle. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened anytime the seatbelt sign is on. Even if the sign is off, please keep your seatbelt fastened in case we experience unexpected rough air. Federal regulations require all passengers to comply with crew instructions, posted placards, and lighted information signs. Smoking, including the use of e-cigarettes, is not allowed on any Delta flight. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying a restroom smoke detector. This aircraft has 2 forward doors, 1 on each side, 4 window exits over the wings, and an additional exit at the back. The forward doors are equipped with detachable slides that can be used for flotation. All exits are clearly marked with exit signs and instruction for operation, and an emergency lights will illuminate the aisle to guide you. Please locate the exit nearest you. Keep it in mind it might be behind you. If there is a loss of cabin pressure, a panel above your seat will open, revealing oxygen masks. If this happens, reach up and pull a mask toward you until the tube is fully extended. Place the mask over your nose and mouth, slip the elastic strap over your head, and adjust the mask if necessary. Breathe normally and know that oxygen is flowing even if the bag does not inflate. Secure your own mask before helping others. A life vest is located under or between your seats. In addition, seat cushions can be used for flotation. To use, pull up to remove the bottom cushion. Upon exiting the aircraft, hold the cushion to your chest with the straps facing away. Put your arms through the straps and hold your wrists. Before we take off, please be sure seat backs are upright, tray table carrying items stowed, aisle armrests lowered. Finally, please take a moment to review the safety information card in your seat back pocket. We will be completing our final safety checks at this time. We'll do everything we can to ensure you have a safe and enjoyable flight. Welcome aboard.
Folks, Captain here. We got off the gate early. We were hoping to get out on our way into Atlanta early, but they have an air traffic control wheels up time established for us. We tried to move that up early, but they wouldn't change it. It's 4 minutes after the hour, so we got the pushback event out of the way, so that won't delay us. We're going to start the engine in just a few moments. A real short taxi over to our runway. Taking off to the north. 48 minutes after we leave this runway, we'll be touching down in Atlanta.
I'm going to come up there and get some press.
Yeah, we expect to still be there close to, let's see, we should be on time actually.